We use a lot of social medias in these days, but sometimes we feel like we really need a break from all those social medias and internet things. So in that case, we really don't have so many options to do because there are a lot of social medias these days, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and many more. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 3 ways how can you take a break from Facebook. So this is quick guide, and without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. To take a break from Facebook, first option you should try is just simply uninstalling your Facebook and stop using it. What happens by doing this is you won't be distracted by this app so oftenly when you install it from your device. Many people use this way, and this is also very effective. And the other option you should use to open up your Facebook, and after opening the Facebook, go to the settings and deactivate the account of your Facebook. What happens by doing that is your account will be deactivated, and again you won't be distracted by your Facebook. If you don't know how to deactivate your Facebook account, we already have posted videos how to deactivate. We already posted the videos how to deactivate Facebook account. You can watch those videos into our channel. And the third option here is to delete your Facebook account. If you are thinking about taking a long break from Facebook, or you don't want to come back at all, you can try deleting your Facebook account also. And that will help you in the same way. You can also learn how to delete your Facebook account from our channel. By using any of these 3 ways, you can take a break from Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.